Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Haq Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about importance of HOMO LUMO in paper writing. So what is the HOMO and what is the LUMO? You know the full form of HOMO, highest occupied molecular orbital. Highest means from the bottom, this is the highest occupied molecular orbital, and lowest unoccupied molecular orbital, this is the lowest from top, this is the lowest, and this is unoccupied, nothing is here, unoccupied molecular orbitals, and this is the energy gap, this is the low and this is the high energy. Means LUMO is always high energy and HOMO is less energy. So there is a difference between energy. LUMO has their own energy, HOMO has their own energy. So highest occupied, this is the highest occupied, this is occupied. This one from bottom, it is the highest occupied molecular orbital, and this one is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. So if any electrons from here it will there jump, then it is the excited state. So this HOMO LUMO in the ground state, and in excited state HOMO LUMO will change. So just concentrate of energy of HOMO, energy of LUMO. If you know the energy of HOMO, if you know the energy of LUMO, you can calculate many things with the help of mathematics. Look at here. Somebody calculated, I took this figure from the literature. You see, this is the HOMO and this is the LUMO. This is the ground state and this is the excited state. HOMO has their own energy in electron volt, some electron volt, and it has their own energy in electron volt. So gap between HOMO and LUMO energy is this. So if you know the HOMO energy, if you know the LUMO energy, we can calculate further. You see, I is equal to minus EH HOMO. So you know the HOMO energy, you just put minus. A is equal to minus E LUMO. If you know the LUMO energy, then put minus. Chi is equal to minus mu I plus A. This is I, you calculated already. A you have calculated, and then divide with 2, then you will get the chi. So what is the A, what is the A, what is the I and chi, we will tell you. Eta is equal to 1 plus A divided by 2, and sigma 1 by eta. So 1 is omega, mu square by divided by 2 eta, or chi square divided by 2 eta, or chi is equal to minus mu, you already seen 1 I plus A divided by 2, minus half energy of HOMO plus energy of LUMO, and so on. Del n max minus mu by eta, you can calculate it. So Pearson in part defined the chemical hardness. Chemical hardness we will symbolize with the eta, and the second derivative for how the energy with respect to the number of electrons. So eta is equal to 1 by 2 dou square by E dou n square Z, expanding with a 3-point approximation. So chemical hardness eta you can calculate with the help of this derivative. You see, chemical potential mu you can calculate with the help of this del n. We are electron negativity, electron density, linear response functions, chemical hardness, chemical softness, and Foucault functions. This is the for calculation. So eta you know the n plus 1. From this you can calculate half I minus A. This is the ionization potential and this is the electron affinity. So you know the ionization potential from here I, you know the electron affinity, then you can calculate half I minus A, and electronegativity you can calculate I plus A. You know the I, ionization potential, with the help of HOMO-LUMO, and you know the electron affinity, just divide it, then you will get the electron negativity. So related to molecular electronegativity. Softness, sigma, sometime it is putting the capital S. So sigma is equal to 1 by eta. You know the eta, you can calculate the sigma. So in this paper, how people are writing? So total energy in Hartree-Fock value is this. You see, Debye dipole moment, this E HUMO electron volt, E LUMO electron volt. Now E HUMO minus 1, LUMO plus 1. This is the most of the time people doing here wrong. LUMO always in the plus and HOMO minus 1. You can see. So energy gap between HOMO-LUMO in electron volt, this, and ionization potential I, just 8.73 here. Just remove the negative. A E LUMO electron volt 1.36, just remove the negative and put the negative here. Chemical potential mu, if you know the I, if you know the A, just divide by 2, then you will get this value. Global hardness eta, if you know I, you know A, divided by 2, then you will get the chemical potential, global hardness eta, and global electrophilicity omega is equal to mu square by 2 eta. You know the mu from here, you know from the eta. So this is the mu chemical potential, and this is. So friends, you can calculate the global hardness eta and chemical potential mu with the help of this formula I plus A and I minus A divided by global electrophilicity omega. You can calculate mu square by 2 eta electron volts. You can see in another paper same thing. Total energy in Hartree in different solvent, E HUMO, E LUMO. If you have calculated in different solvent, then you will get the HOMO and LUMO, and then total energy gap you can calculate, and then HOMO minus 1, LUMO plus 1, and then energy gap between HOMO minus 1 and HOMO plus 1, chemical hardness eta, electronegativity chi, chemical potential mu, electrophilicity index or electrophilicity omega, and dipole moment. You can see this is the chemical potential. You can use this formula. This is the LUMO, this is the HOMO, LUMO, HOMO, L for LUMO, H for HOMO, and this is the eta. So chemical potential and mu chemical potential and chemical hardness. This is the chemical hardness. So you see, this is the HOMO and this is the LUMO. Highest occupied molecular orbital, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Mu is here and eta energy. So you will see how people writing HOMO, LUMO energy, HOMO minus LUMO, ionization potential I, electron affinity A, chemical hardness eta, global softness S, sometimes sigma, chemical potential mu, electronegativity chi, global electrophilicity index omega. So you can calculate with the help of the formula eta. You see eta is equal to I minus A, ionization potential minus electron affinity divided by 2. Electronegativity I plus A divided by 2. Ionization potential electron affinity divided by 2. Sigma is equal to 1 by eta, and E HOMO minus 1, E LUMO A minus A. So you see how people are writing in paper. Energy of HOMO, energy of LUMO, gap between two energy level, HOMO-LUMO, electron affinity A, electronegativity chi, vertical ionization potential I, chemical hardness eta, chemical softness sigma, or S, electron chemical potential mu, electrophilicity index omega, here in different notations. You see, energy of HOMO, energy of LUMO, energy gap, ionization potential I, electron affinity A, electronegativity chi, global hardness eta, global potential mu, global electrophilicity omega, chemical softness S, and dipole moment. You see, from HOMO LUMO you can calculate HOMO LUMO, electronegativity chi, chemical hardness, chemical softness, electrophilicity index omega, chemical potential mu. You can see here same thing. So you can calculate with the help of eta and sigma chi. You see, E HOMO LUMO, band gap, ionization potential I is equal to minus E HOMO, electron affinity A is equal to minus E LUMO, chemical hardness, and you see H 1 minus A divided by 2, chemical softness, electronegativity, electron potential, electrophilicity, sum of electronic 0-point energy. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.